There's nobody, no one that'll run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely, living lovely. Just love.
Hey girly pops, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay and I'm back with another video. In today's video we are going to be straightening this unit that I got from CIYOO off of Amazon. It is a ash blonde unit with ombre brown roots and it is a 200% density. We're going to be using this 5-in-1 curling iron that I also purchased off of Amazon. I installed this unit on one of my previous vlogs, and if you haven't checked that out you can check it out here. And today I'm just going to be styling it, and I am going to be just making it straighter and touching up my baby hair. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Sit back and relax and grab you something to drink. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And let's get into it.
For the night, only for life, yeah, only for life, yeah, only for life. Let's get it. Hit that shoulder, me. I know what coming over me. Backstroke overseas. I know what you need. Already on 10, all money come in. I'm feeling go out this feeling no doubt. This party
singing. I can't keep my panties from dropping. It's so fly, fly. Moving too fast to hurt yourself. I can't keep up with all the lies you tell yourself. You kinda cute, but ain't too much to play yourself. I'm not the one, but we can still pretend this can't be my man. You say you feel different when you with me, tell me anything. Compliment my energy, it's to feel like you're next to me. All I ask is don't make me pull up and get the love, make me go again. It's not part of a woman. Yeah. Only thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman. Question is why I do the things I do. Answer I may never find, but I'll always choose you. Wanna give up on you, but I know I can't. I put the blame on me for giving you chance after chance. I love what you can't stand, and I try to be strong, but how much can I put your words on your life this time? And I hope you ain't lying, 'cause only that's it, that's it.
I get my weed from California, that's that shit. I took my pick up to the north, yeah, badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah, yeah, that's it. And I see you, way I breathe you in. It's the texture of your skin. I wanna wrap my arms around you, baby, never let you go. And I see you, there's nothing like your touch. It's the way you lift me up, yeah. And I'll be right here with you today. I got my teachers down in Georgia, yeah, shit. I get my weed from California, that's that shit. I took my pick up to the north, yeah, badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah, yeah, that's it. I got my teachers down in Georgia, yeah, shit. I get my weed from California, that's that shit. I took my pick up to the north, yeah, badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah, yeah, that's it. I got my teachers down in Georgia. I get my weed from California. I got my teachers down in Georgia. I took my trip up to the north, yeah. I get my light right from the source, yeah.
You enjoy it, but I'm for ya. All I can want, all I can wish for. Nights alone that we miss more. Days we save as souvenirs. There's no time, I wanna need more time and give you my whole life. Let my girl, I'm in my Yorker. Hate to leave it, call it torture. Remember when I put it older. Left the baggage for a rover.
Oops, I made a mess, G5 by the jet. I'm about to catch, I double the bed. My man is stretched from south to the west. Lawyers the best, get home with a check. He done fucked up, put some dough on his head. Came in, I done left the nut on the list. Running catch up like a motherfucking tread. Yeah, nigga fucked up tryna hide the pie. Drum on the stick on the side of switch. Call up and let pretty vibe. Pull up and let her massage the dick. All that you in the ride, we whipping and swerving all kind of shit. Whipping and running, my little niggas pulling a gun and they hit when they trying to hit. I started running, we shooting rats right in their stomachs and leave them inside. Ain't nothing funny when you got a bread on the onion, no look like you frying the bread. Hit her on Sunday, she still wanna ask me for money, she gon' end up dying. Got me some hundreds and say gotta keep it 100, cause these niggas counterfeit. We had the longest sex, good pussy bitch off a bowl of cracks. They thought the rose was crack, just like a real nigga bouncing it back. Make sure your nose ain't wet, he fell a bit, them addicted to crack. Come on my Benjamin, check out my neck, all in my business, little bitch, you relax. She done got way too attached, notice they might cut their faces and snatch. Heard your little homie got whacked, but you ain't taking one back. You going under attack, let the whole world know the babies is back. In the west, hitting the dash, crippin' that back out 100 yard dash. Who shot me the mess, you pop of the jet. I'm about to catch, I double the bed. I'm in the stretch.